Hi guys, welcome to another tutorials. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video and share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we going to start the video. In this tutorials we discuss that today's a new tutorial is upscales images in instant in Adobe Photoshop. Instantly boost image quality, clarity and the sharpen with the generative upscales powered by FreeFly enhanced photo resolutions up to 8 megapixel with the beta and available in beta app. Photoshop on a mobiles is here. The craft something truly unique with the new Photoshop on mobiles combined edit photos, graphics and Adobe stock images. It's easy to learn.